Hey everybody, John Stovall, MarineMax Lake Lanier. You join me today on a 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. This is a dual console boat in their lineup. I love this boat for a lot of many reasons. Let me show you why I love it. All right, so you join me in the bow. The bow is super versatile and there is just an unlimited amount of storage up here. You've got a storage box up here with all your table storage, things like that, and quick access chute for a trash can. You've got storage underneath this seat, and you got storage slash cooler underneath this seat, which, by the way, both of these boxes drain overboard. Windlass up front, and this has the optional bow shade as well. All right, so now you find me in the cockpit. Notice huge hard top with the gel coat underneath to match, grab handles and courtesy light, and speakers are built into there as well, and your rocket launchers behind me, and of course on the stanchions. You've got a full-size head with a flushing toilet and holding tank. And you've got one of the most versatile port side seats in the market. So, standard configuration underway. Position 1, you can watch your bait as you're trolling. Position 2, even more relaxed. And position 3, all the way down with the backrest against the head. And on top of that, you got storage in the center, storage back here, with an added feature of a forward-facing backrest if you want to leave it as such. This boat also has a side port side entry door that's easy to open and close, and your ladder for that stored in there as well in a nice, easy to grab place. A little bit unorthodox. We're going to go back to the helm. This is a Simrad 12-inch display with all your gauges, mapping, and your Mercury vessel view, all your switches, joystick, of course, leather wrapped steering wheel, and a super comfortable helm chair. And behind that, easy access grill, fridge, and if you wanted to use it for a cutting board, you can. Port side jump seat, storage box that drains overboard as well, batteries underneath my feet, and then opposing fish boxes on either side. Battery switches, shore power, everything's easy to get to in this boat, super durable, and gives you that legendary Boston Whaler unsinkability. I hope you can come find us on www.marinemax.com.